Hi, this is Carl from Pensacola. It's dark, and in a minute you'll see why. This is going to be a 2022 update on the 3D shadow light. These are puddle lights you can get for your Alfa or Stelvio. Very quick install. I put these in 2019, but after about 6 months, here's what happened. I went with the full colorized Alfa logo, which to me looked the best. But after 6 months, the red Milanese Cross on the emblem totally disappears off the transparency film. Something about the red ink that just fades out on whether it's the heat that's generated when these go on or not sure. But my solution, unfortunately, was to get away from the color and to go with the black and white logo. So I have installed now some black and whites, and those look pretty sharp, and I expect them to look sharp 6 months from now, a year from now, 2 years from now. Basically just a quick update showing you what these look like. These are about $20 per set. For a 4-door you need 2 sets. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye-bye.